Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss anatomy most repeated MCQs part 3rd. All of these are sensory except option A optic nerve, B olfactory nerve, C oculomotor nerve, and option D ophthalmic nerve. So the correct option is C, oculomotor nerve. Explanation is the oculomotor nerve is motor nerve. The others are sensory nerve. The posterior triangle is bounded posteriorly by the dash muscle. Option A, mastoid, B, levator scapula, C, trapezius, and option D, splenius. So the correct option is C, trapezius. The trapezius forms the posterior boundary of the posterior triangle. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. So this is very important MCQs. The narrow cavity of the midbrain is the dash which connects the third and fourth ventricle. Option A, cerebral aqueduct, B, tentorium cerebella, option C, tatum. So the correct option is A, cerebral aqueduct. The cerebral aqueduct runs through the midbrain. So this is very important MCQs. The dash plays an important role in the control of muscle tone and the coordination of muscle movement. Option A, pons, B, medulla oblongata, C, cerebellum, and option D, cerebrum. So the larynx and the trachea are at the dash region of the neck. Option A, medial, B, posterior, C, anterior, and option D, central. So the correct option is C, anterior. The larynx and trachea are anterior neck structures. The meningeal layer provide tubular sheath for the option A, spinal nerve, B, cranial nerve, C, periosteal nerve, and option D, periosteal arteries. So the correct option is B, cranial nerve. The meninges form sheaths around cranial nerve. So this is very important MCQs. On the medial surface of the body of the mandible and the median plane are seen are option A, foramen magnum, B, mental foramen, C, mandible foramen, and option D, mental spines. So the correct option is D, mental spine. The mental spines are midline on the inner mandible. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Clavicle articulates with the dash laterally. Option A, sternum, B, coronoid process, C, acromion process, and option D, coracoid process. So the correct option is C, acromion process. The clavicle articulates with the acromion of the scapula. Does the scapula lie on the posterior chest wall between the dash ribs? Option A, 2nd and 7th, B, 9th and 10th, C, floating ribs, and option D, 1st rib. So the correct option is A, 2nd and 7th. The scapula span ribs 2nd and 7th. The superlateral angle of the scapula form the pear shaped. Option A, acromion, B, acetybulum, C. glenoid cavity, and option D. spine. So the correct option is C. glenoid cavity. The glenoid cavity articulates with the humerus. Subscapular fossa is located on the dash surface of the scapula. Option A posterior, B anterior, C medial, and option D lateral. So the correct option is B anterior. The subscapular fossa is on the anterior surface. The posterior surface of the scapula is divided into the supraspinous fossa above the infraspinous fossa below. Option A spine, B acromion, C glenoid cavity, and option D inferior angle. So the correct option is A spine. Spine divides the posterior scapula. The inferior angle of the scapula mark the level of option A 7th rib, B 8th rib, C 9th rib, and option D 12th rib. So the correct option is A 7th rib. The inferior angle align with 7th rib. About halfway down the lateral aspect of the shaft of the humerus is a roughened elevation called option A deltoid tuberosity, B spiral groove, C coronoid fossa, and option D radial fossa. So the correct option is A deltoid tuberosity. The deltoid tuberosity is where the deltoid muscle attaches. The shoulder girdle includes all bone except option A scapula, B clavicle, C talus, and option D both A and B. So the correct option is C talus. The talus is a foot bone, not part of the shoulder girdle. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. There are dash carpal bones in each hand. Option A 8, option B 9, C 6, and option D 7. So the correct option is A 8. Each wrist has 8 carpal bone. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. The distal end of the radius is the dash. Option A clavicle, B styloid process, C radial tuberosity, and option D both A and B. So the correct option is B styloid process. Styloid process is the distal projection of the radius. So this is the last MCQ. Dash mesenchyme filled spaces between the cranial bone that are present at birth. Option A base, B fissure, C fontanelles, and option D suture. So the correct option is C fontanelle. Fontanelles are soft spots in the fetal skull. Thank you for watching my videos.